What's up guys, and welcome to the 55th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about even more concatenation. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is go right to the top and type in hashtag define able baker and then alpha beta. That's close. I'll go to the next line and type in define cat A and B, close that off, and then type in A double hashtag and then B, and then go to the main program, type in int main parentheses, next line, curly brace, and then std cout less than then cat and then able baker, but this needs a comma in, so space those, close that off, save this. We can run this, but before we actually run this, let's explain what's happening in the program. So we have a program that uses concatenation, and then in the previous tutorial we looked at token concatenation operators which also use double hashtag, and the same thing is happening in this program that happened in the previous program. This is a better way to concatenate because there's less code and we're not having to use unsigned this and that. We only need to use std cat able baker, and let's execute this and see what happens. So execute this, build succeeded, we get alpha betas, it has concatenated. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.